Bring him from the yard.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. As a member of Diecast International Builders, I approve this video. This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today I have for you the first in a series of videos on a 100 plus car lot that I bought off of eBay. And most of these are going to be for trade. Some I'm going to keep. Probably going to try to do like 25 cars in each episode or something like that, if I can keep track. Well, so we'll see how this works out. So I'll probably do like 5, 5, 5, 5, and we'll wait and see how that works out. So there'll be a trade pile here, and there'll be a keep pile over here. All right. So if you guys are interested in trading, let me know, and let's get into it. All right. So here is a 1998 Pro Stock Chevy S10. That's going in the trade pile. Interestingly enough, I do have another one of those. If you guys are not interested, let me know. Then we have a 41 Willys car. That would, I looked at this and I would really like to do a custom on that, but we'll put that in the trade pile. And we have a split and image 2. Split and image 2, we'll put that in the trade pile. Then we have a 10 Ford Mustang. Funny car, looks like. We'll put that there. What is this? Oh, here we go. This is a Datsun Bluebird 510. A Datsun Bluebird 510. I would really like to do a custom on this if I ever get good at making graphics. Alright, so then we have a Jeepster. A Jeepster. So we'll put that there. And then we have a Pontiac Piranha. A Pontiac Piranha. I didn't even know Pontiac made one of these. It has Destination Adventure on it. So, yeah, that's pretty cool, I guess. Yeah. We're going on a trip on our favorite rocket ship. I'm not singing that song. Okay. Now, a 16 Mercedes AMG GT3 FJV46. It's a lot. That's a mouthful. Super cool for you race car guys. Alright. We have a, what is this thing? It's a CDV46. CDV46. I wonder if that's a manufacturer code. FJV46. CDV46. That must be, I don't know what that is. Anyway, here's this thing. Hot Wheels with the gold wheels and whatnot. What do we have here? Alright, so here's a slingshot, and part of the exhaust is broken off. So we'll put that there for the trade. Alright, so then we have a Firepower Concept. This is a Firepower Concept, and that would make an awesome custom if I didn't have too many cars to do. Oh, here we go. Here's a Cunningham C4R. A Cunningham C4R, very similar to the AC Cobra, or not the AC Cobra, the Shelby Cobra. Prototype H24. We've seen a couple of those before in those other unboxings. And then we have a 2008 Lancer Evolution. And I'm going to put that in the keep pile. I want to do a custom on that so bad. Here's a 10 Camaro SS Camaro SS. I'm going to put that in the keep pile. So where are we now? So that's 15. So let's keep going. Okay. So here's an Invader, another Invader, and again, it's almost like that wants to shoot out or something, but it won't. Oh, it does. You just push down. Oh, okay. I just figured it out right on camera. I can see how that would get lost easily. I'm going to put that in the trade pile. Alright, I'm not going to dig that other one out right now. And we have wait. This goes here. Trying to keep track of where we are. So we're at 5, 10, 15, right? And so we're starting on the 20 row. So we have an off track. An off track. This is the details you could do on something like this. And just drill it apart, and it's a plastic body. Take the tampos off, primer it, paint it, detail the crap out of it. This would be super awesome. Give it a wheel change. I'm gonna put that in the side for a possible future project. And then we have a Shredster. It's a Shredster. Okay, it's like they took an old hot rod and put it inside. What was that? That wasn't cool. Poor paddy wagon. Here, let's put you down here, okay? Sorry about that. The Shredster. Okay. Whew. And then we have from Maisto a Velocidad. Ah, right here, this thing. All I see is a CDV48. That must be some kind of manufacturing number. Not really a name. But it's just Spider-Man. Like from that one movie. Alright, so then we have something that was manufactured for McDonald's. Let's scoot these back so they stay in the camera. Wait. Huh. There wasn't 5 in that row. Okay. So got 5 more. Something's not right. Let's move you up here. That's better. Alright. A Subaru Impreza Wrx. There's that for you guys that might like that. Oh, awesome. Here we go. This is a Matchbox 75 Chevy stepside. Oh yeah, boys. This looks like it has Bob the Builder on it. That's going to get changed. Alright, so we have 2 more cars in this one. We have something with no name. I should know what this is. This is one of those supercars. Can't believe they didn't put a name on it. 1 more. And we have a 70 Chevelle. 70 Chevelle that's going in the keep pile. So there's that. Cars I'm keeping. These cars are for trade. If you're interested, let me know in the comments down below. So don't forget, I am on Instagram where I post pictures of my completed cars, and I have a Patreon where you guys, if you sign up, you can get to see pictures of my works in progress and things that are going to be coming up on the channel. And I'm also on Patreon, where if you guys sign up and support the channel, you can see pictures of things that are works in progress and things that are going to be coming up on the channel. I would really appreciate you guys considering that. Also, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below. Tell me who you are, what you got going on. If you have a YouTube channel, I will definitely come check you out. Make sure you're clicking that like button. I really enjoy seeing all the likes, and ring that bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.